Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my Unboxing with Val channel. So today I have another Mindful Souls. This is the February 2023 box and I'm excited to open it. Let's go ahead and open it. Got a little box cutter to open this part. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our Mindful Souls box. And we have a little information card. And then let's go ahead and pull out the first stuff, or the first few items. So we always get an affirmation. So the affirmation for this month is affirmation for resentment. And it says, the more resentment I release, the more love I have to express. So if you resent anyone and you release that resentment, you'll have more love to express. Next, we have our sticker. So they always give us a sticker. Now let me see. I think this is the bottom, top. So just a sticker of crystals, and there's like a rainbow kind of scheme, color scheme. So that's a really pretty sticker. And then let's go ahead and get to our first little baggie. So I'm gonna go left to right, and first we have this baggie. Let's go ahead and open it. It looks like it's a necklace. It is. This is actually really pretty. Okay, so the first one that we have is a necklace. And this is the oh, that's cool. This is the Dreamcatcher Oil Diffuser Necklace. So it says that a diffuser necklace is a great way to bring your oils with you. Just place a few drops of your essential oil on the replacement pad and carry it with you. Firstly, you smell good without the toxic chemicals in the deodorants or perfumes. Secondly, you get all the health and beauty benefits. And then it also says smells are deeply interconnected with our limbic system, the part of ourselves that connects, feels, experiences, intuition, inspires, and motivates. Essential oils can help soothe, to calm us, or invigorate us and lift our mood. So this is the necklace. It's really, I actually think this is really cool. And then it has like the little replacement pads. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to open this. That's probably not even that hard. Oh, I see how to open it. So I'm excited for this because they do have some, they did send me some fragrant oils the last time, and I could probably use that and just wear it around my neck. So that's a really pretty one. The next one is in here. So this is the next one. And I think these are going to be a set of Healing Chakra Stones. If I can open it. Oh, they tied it. Okay, so this is the set of Healing Chakra Stones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, okay, so there's 7 chakras. It says to lay on your back with your feet uncrossed. Place each of the 7 chakra stones on the corresponding chakra center. Clear your mind, relax, concentrate on your breathing, and let the crystals do the work. Leave the chakra stones on your body for 8 to 10 minutes. Feel your body become more centered and balanced. And then it says here about the stones. The 7 chakras are wheels of energy within our bodies. When chakras are aligned and balanced, we feel energized, grounded, and centered. This makes chakra cleansing extremely important for our overall health and well-being. The chakra healing stones combine 7 chakra stones to help you with chakra healing and balancing. There's white quartz, which I'm guessing is this one. So white quartz. And then what's after white quartz? There's amethyst, and I think amethyst is this one. I think it's the purple one. And then after amethyst there is the pink quartz, and that's going to be this one. And then after the pink quartz, there's a aventurine, and I think that's gonna be, let's see, what does it show? Oh, it's this one. This one's aventurine. And then it's the tiger's eye, and this one's the tiger's eye. It's like a brown one. And then after tiger's eye, it is red jasper. And then it goes obsidian. And last one is lazurite. So those are the crystals the Healing Chakra Stones that I got this month. So I am excited to try these. Okay, and the next little baggie feels kind of light. Oh, it's a little bracelet. So this is a little bracelet, and it's called the Solar System Bracelet. So I think this one's supposed to be Earth right here. And it says, this bracelet celebrates our home in the cosmos, our solar system. Wear a mini version of the entire solar system on your wrist with this awesome solar system bracelet. Each planet is represented by a gemstone bead. The bracelet is made from a selection of lava beans, jade, sandstone, tiger's eye, lapis lazuli, and others. So here it is. It's actually really pretty, and I'm excited to wear this. And then the next thing that we get is in this little baggie. It looks like another bracelet. Oh, this is cute. So this is the friendship bracelet. And this bracelet, it says there's one bracelet for you and one bracelet for your mother, friend, sister, anyone you want to create a stronger connection with. And it's made with Amazonite. So it's like this pretty blue, light blue, baby blue color. And it says the Amazonite is known as a stone of compassion, so wearing these bracelets can help you understand each other better, thus making your bond even stronger. I really like this. This is like cute little, these are cute. Okay, the next one. So this one is a ring, and this one is the Carnelian Ring. I wonder if it fits any of my fingers. I have small little fingers. Fits this one. So this is the Carnelian Ring, and it says carnelian is valued not only for its vivid color, but also for its energizing properties. The stone is especially helpful when you're dealing with self-esteem, so wear this when you need a boost of confidence and know that you have the power to achieve what you want. This one is really pretty too. Trying to see what side it's comfortable on. I think I like it on like this better. So this is the ring. Excited for this. And then the last thing that we got, or item that we got for our self-love, self-care journey, is a necklace. So this is a necklace, and this is the raw green fluorite necklace. This is really pretty. And it says that a green fluorite crystal is especially powerful for growth and healing on all levels. Green fluorite crystals are also wonderful for neutralizing negative energy, acting as an energy vacuum cleaner for your space. Placing one in your environment helps to restore balance and bring order to any chaos. Green fluorite's ability to connect with the energy of its environment helps it to not only purify, but also raise the vibrations of its setting. Place your crystal in your sacred space, office, or a place in your home where you will see it every day. So I already have the place that I'm going to put this. Two of my other necklaces that I've gotten from Mindful Souls, I actually hung them on my bed frame, and they kind of just hang there. So I'm excited to hang this one on my bed frame with my other crystals. But yeah, so that was Mindful Souls, February 2022. I got some cute jewelry. I got a ring, I'm actually excited for the ring. I don't really wear rings very often, and I'm not really a jewelry person either, but I do enjoy getting these Mindful Souls jewelry, whether it be the bracelets or the ring. I also enjoy getting like the oil diffusers. I like getting the necklaces because I can hang them on places, and they just kind of create positive energy in those places. But yeah, so that was Mindful Souls February 2022. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe down below to my unboxing channel. I'm posting unboxing videos right now twice a month. I have Mindful Souls and I have Ipsy unboxing. I do plan to have more unboxings in the future. Right now it's just those 2 boxes that I have unboxing, and I hope you enjoy these videos because I really enjoy these videos, and I hope you all have a great Mindful Monday, because as you all know, I only post Mindful Souls on Mondays because I think it's perfect for Mindful Monday, which Mondays are they can be a really difficult day for everyone. It's the start of a new week. You don't want to go to work. You just had a relaxing weekend, and I have to wake up and go do your work, be in a stressful environment maybe. So these Mindful Mondays videos I really enjoy making, and I hope they help you all, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone. Also, give it a like. Bye.